Yeah, I'm just like working on someone's monitors. I'm all about cable management. So, like if you see this one here, I put all the cables inside, and I'm doing the other one now. Just have a second monitor here, and basically, I'm all about cable management. So I'm going to, so you can see what I'm doing. Over here. So, right? I'm gonna move this monitor. I'm gonna move this one. Bring this one here. So you see what I'm doing. Alright. See these cables, right? How they go, let them be in a certain way. So we're gonna give a lever over here. So we're gonna put the twist tied first, because twisty ties over here, it's messed up. So let me fix that first. It's a mess. Can't be like this. Except for important people. So it has to be nice and neat. So you put your cable here, grab your second one, put it over here, and then you just move the lever to the right. That's one. And same thing over here, move the lever to the right. That's two. And then you want to put the cables in here. So you're going to temporarily take this out. Put this one here. So you have 4 cables instead of 2. Temporarily take this one out. Right? And then put 4 over here. A little notch right here. And you're good. That's it. Nice and neat. Just wanted to show you what I do on a day-to-day basis. I stress cable management. Cable management is very important. So you see me time and time again stress cable management in any job I work. I find that very important to do. So it's just a typical day of me doing IT support. I do more than other stuff than this, but sure to show you. All right, guys, take care. Later.